This is a completely brand new tool that I've never showed anybody before, let alone anybody on this channel. But it can actually make you money with just a simple touch of a button. If you want to know what I'm talking about, just stick around because I'll explain everything in this short video. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. So let's get started on this video. The first site that you will need to visit and the one that will be paying us today is called vfly.com. You may have heard of this site, but chances are you haven't because it isn't that well known. So let me elaborate with what it is first. vFly is simply a place where you can buy YouTube views. And by the way, I'm not talking about purchasing fake news. They get a genuine views by using Google Ads, which effectively advertises your video of choice, resulting in it receiving more attention from people. With that brief explanation out of the way, let me be clear. You will not be making money through YouTube, so I will not tell you to record a video or whatever and then go on vFly and pay them to increase a number of views for that video. Nothing like that. As most of you recall, this is the website that will be paying us, not the other way around. So I won't be going over the features of this website. They're actually irrelevant to us and our purpose right now, and you can see what they have to offer to yourself anyway. So without further ado, here is the first step that you should take once you arrive at vFly. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and then click on affiliates under the explore section. So by now, you can already tell that we'll be marketing this website as an affiliate. And I'd say that this platform is one of the finest websites to advertise as an affiliate today. If you have no skills or experience, most especially, this perfectly beginner friendly. And here's why to begin with. Not many people are actually aware of vFly. It has only received 70,000 visits in the last month. And this is critical because if you are promoting a well-known website to people, chances are some of them have already heard of it, which means that you will not receive any clicks on your affiliate link and you won't be able to make as much money. The second key thing about vFly is that it has positive Trustpilot rating. Having positive ratings is really advantageous since it makes persuading people to try out the website much simpler than it would be otherwise. Getting someone to buy what you're selling is in general the most difficult step, especially when they have to invest just a little bit amount of money. With positive reviews though, people will be a little more open to making a purchase and you will be paid anytime that they do. Finally, the nicest part about this service is who the clients are. These are individuals who want to build a YouTube channel, and there are dozens of millions of people who have a pretty big channel. As you can see, with thousands of people who have already joined and more joining every single day, your customer pool is virtually limitless, and it will dramatically increase your potential for profits. And more importantly, it will allow you to earn passive income while doing nothing, thanks to the tools that will combine the website with. Now, before we go any further, it's important to note that you won't make a lot of money for each individual you recommend. This is because vFly gives 15% commission, which, let's face it, isn't really much. However, I don't think this is a big deal given the huge benefits like the seemingly unlimited customer pool that I just mentioned. Anyway, once you've read more about vFly's affiliate program and all of the benefits that it provides, you want to join up for the affiliate program. Trust me. So to do so, simply click here to become an affiliate. On the next page, you'll be asked to sign in. But if you don't have an account yet, go here to make one. From here, you can sign up with Google, which is obviously much faster and better, or with your own email. In which case, you need to fill out a bunch of information, email and password in these two boxes, and click sign up to complete the process. Once you log into your new account, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link, and anyone who clicks on it will be redirected to VFly, where if they make a purchase, you'll get paid. The one thing left now is the issue of traffic. And even though I said that you have an endless customer pool, you will still need to find people who would want to start their own YouTube channel. The way that you could find people who want to start their own YouTube channel is this: leverage YouTube itself. And here's what you should do. Type in something along the lines of how to gain more views on YouTube, how to grow YouTube, or how to build a YouTube channel, or anything remotely similar. You don't have to use these exact phrases, just something similar. In any case, YouTube will now show you a plethora of videos. The next step is to find ones that are a little bit more recent, no more than 2 or 3 months old. To do so, go to the filter section and then select this month, or you can manually search for your videos. Either way, you'll need to open up a few of them and read the comments section. The literal perfect clients will be found in the YouTube comments section, since these folks who have all posted comments on this specific videos are all interested in building a YouTube channel. Because aside from watching the video in question, you have probably taken the time to write everything in there. It's a good probability that if you contact some of them, they will at least check into what VFly is all about. You may contact individuals in one or two ways, by email or by reacting to a specific comment. The former option is slightly preferable, but it has a major fault, and that not everyone's email addresses are available. To find it, go over to a channel, go to the About section over here, then scroll down. If you don't see an email address, you're out of luck, but if you do, you can contact them, and what you'd say either in the email or in the reply is essentially the same. Go over to all of VFly's features. Tell them that it's fantastic for growing on YouTube and that it is 100% legit. Simply type something along the lines and respond to all of these folks. And when one of them makes a purchase, which will inevitably happen over time, you will earn approximately $10 or so, which is actually pretty good. Furthermore, everyone who sees your comment with your affiliate link may check out VFly, not just the person you're talking to. Thus, this has a huge potential to make you a lot of money online and in passive income. And every time anybody makes purchase through your link, which many will, you will earn a lot of money. It truly is as simple as that. YouTube is a terrific traffic source. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.